Hello, let's call it weekly update. Many small jobs done, but I feel I'm behind the schedule. I lost with logistic and weather. Okay, what's done? Finally I spent 1 hour to make these holes bigger. Like I told earlier, I use this too small hole saw, and later on I have to file, mini grinder, everything what I can find. I have to make it bigger. Right now is protected with lock edging not to cut the heating ducts. I fit the wiring I prepared earlier, so just like, not complicated, just time consuming. Like I fit ready harness plus something what I forgot about it, or like not forgot it but changed mind and I add something. So this is main harness. The main loom is going to the front, to the area of heater, truma or wherever it will be. So toilet, and it looks like on the top. So right now I can like insulate this area with bubble wrap. I fit some insulation here, double, not double, 20 mil, so it's double than 10. 20 mil closet cell foams here. You can see anything anyway in these places where I can. I fit also 230 wire to the front socket, and like and main wires to which will go from the battery to the B2B charger. So because everything is going in this bathroom area, and I don't wanna later on when I close something, some stage, I don't wanna like scratching head where I can fit, or for sure I will scratch because I forgot about something, will forget about something. But anyway, it's better than this is temporary. It will be inside this. Temporary, it will be inside this space. So this is what I've done inside. Okay. Oh, but I to empty carrot can. I build a special jig for bending. Make this tunnel. Just to this space will be not accessible, like, you know, between walls going from here down, and always is a problem with this space. So I fabricate big word, just make it. This is from what I have done inside, and one thing outside. I also start making the worktops. This is small worktop, I don't know, like for sink in a bathroom, and I cut some wood for to make the worktop part. This is like a smaller part of kitchen unit worktop. To tell you the most funny, this like exotic wood is taken from the skip. I not use any sealant, anything, because here is from the bottom is a kind of rubber, so we can use it. Stainless steel. Never never to the end.